Sometimes the weird world of nature creeps right up to your door, which is what happened to me recently when I noticed my rubber plant making it rain on my front porch. On closer inspection, I discovered some very strange little bugs shooting water droplets everywhere. What are these little weirdos, and what are they doing? I investigated, and my research revealed that these are the nymphs of the largest of the leafhoppers. And they're called sharpshooters. Their lack of wings, as well as small discarded shells on the leaves, tells me that they're nymphs or babies. And these nymphs have piercing, sucking mouthparts like sharp needles. And they use these mouthparts to pierce into the sap tissues of plants and suck out all the fluids. These little guys filter huge quantities of this fluid through their body, extracting the nutrients and shooting out the fluid in rapid-fire droplets. Which is why they became known as sharpshooters. They have been recorded to drink and excrete up to 17 milliliters per day, which would be the same as you or me drinking 400 gallons of water in just one day. Sharpshooters have the ability to readily transmit pathogens from plant to plant, such as viruses and bacteria. They're wreaking havoc on California crops at the moment, and researchers are trying to figure out how to stop them. Now I need to figure out how to get rid of these cute but deadly visitors.